Good day everyone and welcome to the 5 Minutes of Technology Show. My name is Resti and I'm going to be the show's moderator for tonight. In today's world phenomenon, also it has been taking place for decades, stress is one of the biggest problems in the human modern life, terrorizing our Earth system thus making it out of order. Pollutions, poisonings, floods, animal extinction, etc. All of those things that rot away our Earth is caused by small things that we actually could control. And the question is, can we actually control and overcome this problem? Here I'm tonight with 4 outstanding students from Universitas Gadjah Mada. Time is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Resti. Yes, you're right. Garbage has been being a real serious problem these days. And it's our duty as today generation to seek for a solution and overcome these things. So we come up with a concept that we can implement and we're going to discuss it tonight. The garbage power plant. A national data states that we're producing 175,000 tons of trash per day, and it's still going to continue to increase as the human population grow up. Coal reserve is running lower each day, so we can't depend on it too much. This power plant could be the answer for two problems. It is like killing two birds with one stone.
Thank you, Ariiq. There was such an interesting way to solve the problem. But saying about transitioning coal to your transport bank, I don't about its effectiveness. If this power bank is already proven that it is called fulfill the big amount of electricity demand, it's all be already implemented long ago, and it solves the problem at once. So Gazza, how does this transport bank actually work and how is the efficiency of it?
Okay, thank you, Irfan. How it works is it's basically the same as coal power plants, but the difference is we use garbage as the fuel. So we burn the garbage, then the burning makes steam, then the steam spin the turbine, and we generate electricity. So we can get 0.5 up to 10 megawatts of electricity. It has been done in Singapore, so it should be proven very well.
Alright guys, coal power plant can produce up to 14 to 100 megawatts, and guess what? There is still blackout, so don't be silly. And if the process of garbage power plant is the same as the coal power plant, there will still be a pollution and residue, won't it? So I think it will be more efficient if we split up the problem of garbage and electricity. Also, electricity demand isn't something we can consider as negligible. Everyone today is in need of sufficient electricity supply. Thank you.
About the pollution problem, we can do some filtering like the Singaporean does. And for the receipt, we can process it to be construction materials. Yes, we indeed know that electricity demand is not a thing that can be considered as negligible. So we come up with a concept that this power plant will be built in large quantity and the energy produced would be sent to one core power storage. Then this collected energies will be distributed to consumer depending on the requirement.
Thank you, Ariiq. Yes, technically that pollution and residue solution could be implemented well. But we also can do it for the other power plant. So why still being effective with the trash power plant while other power plant can just solve the electricity problem better? And also, I think that it is not going to work well in Indonesia since the people will don't sort of their trash.
Okay, I think we can change the behavior of garbage sorting as we develop a bigger concept of this power plant. But don't you care about this world that's getting rotted by trash day by day? Like, this could be the solution.
Can you be more realistic? The need of electricity is a real problem right now, and your concept is only produce 1 out of 10 from the real power.
But the thing is,
Oh, chill down, everybody. The place is already heated up by global warming. Don't make it hotter. So the time is about to end. Why don't you let's give the audience about the conclusion and maybe perfect each other concept? Because I think that your opinion is great and it can fill out the other opinion's hole.
Thank you, Resti. The needs of sufficient energy production really is important for the sustainability of civilization, and the one who can suffice is the real power plant that is already proven to produce electricity at a high amount. Then I think that trash power plant could be implemented in a remote area to support its needs of electricity. Then I think well-developed city needs a big amount of electricity, but a small remote area, I think it's going to be an efficient place for a trash power plant. Thank you.
Good enough. That's a solution. Whether it's a trash power plant or it's a coal power plant or water power plant, we still need to improve it so it can be more environmentally friendly. Thank you, Ricky. Thank you, Irfan. Thank you, Ariiq. Thank you, Resti. Such a very nice discussion.
And that's the end of our program for Manager. And what do you think? Do you have any opinion? We all